I hope you're one of the fortunate people that has fresh, clean water delivered directly to your home. And you know you've reached a peak of luxury if you not only have cold water, but you have hot water as well. This hot water is normally provided by a large hot water tank, or it could be a tankless instant hot water unit. Oftentimes, these hot water sources are centrally located, and the hot water has to be piped through the house, sometimes all the way across the house. This method of hot water distribution can present some problems. Items such as your dishwasher require hot water to be available as soon as it turns on. Initially, all of the water stored in the hot water pipes is cold. You have to turn on a sink and run water until the hot water flushes all that cold water out. This means you can waste a couple gallons of water just to get hot water to your source. The same thing goes with your shower. You turn the water on and wait around until it gets warm. Then you hop in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put that wasted water to good use. Below every drain in your house, this ingenious little device called a J-trap. The purpose of this device is to store a small amount of water. It completely blocks the sewer pipe and prevents the sewer gases from entering into your home. Herein lies the problem. These modern low-flow devices don't actually push enough water through this J-trap to actually clean it out. They collect things like spit and toothpaste, mouthwash, soap, and cleaning products. Want to have a little bit of fun? Pull one of these J-traps apart and look inside of it. Here's what I do to fix this problem. When I need hot water, instead of just running the sink, I close the plunger in the sink and start filling it up. When the water turns red, you know the water is hot. I then open the plunger, and a large volume of water rushes through that J-trap, cleaning it out. Now, when you turn on your shower, you should have hot water within a few seconds, since the hot water's already made it to the bathroom. Let me show you what's happening. This is equivalent to the water sitting in your J-trap. When a large volume of water flows through it, the momentum of the water actually grabs the rest of the water and pulls it along. You can see it practically just emptied that toilet bowl. The same thing happens in your J-trap. Oh, by the way, this is an outstanding way of removing the water from your toilet bowl when you want to clean it. This way your cleaning detergents don't get diluted by the toilet water. When you want to run your dishwasher, do the same thing in your kitchen sinks. I alternate between the two sinks each time I run the washing machine. Here's another bonus to the fill up the sink thing that I do. You remember this diagram? Well, instead, let's actually look at the pipes that go out to the sewer in the street. These pipes work strictly off gravity. So when they were installed, they have to slope down at a specific angle. In this case, a 3 to 6 inch size pipe, the slope can be as little as 1/8 of an inch per foot. That is not very much. All the solid waste that goes down your garbage disposal or your toilet rely on water to push it down to the street. Sometimes a trickle is just not enough. You need to give it a little bit of a push. For example, the sewer system for my house was designed and installed 38 years ago. Back then, this toilet tank was 5 gallons. New toilet tanks are as little as 1.5 or less gallons. Since 5 gallons was part of the design parameter for my sewer system, I'd be interested to see statistics on if people that put smaller tanks in have more sewer problems. Speaking of problems, I have one more thing to discuss. This actually falls in the line with emergency preparedness. You can see in this diagram it's possible for the main sewer line in the street to be obstructed some way. This would cause the sewage to back up into your line and go into your house. Newer sewer systems have this backflow device installed in their cleanout. Water from the home flows through it smoothly, but if sewage comes in from the street, this flap lifts up and blocks the sewage. However, like I said, newer homes have this. Houses like mine don't. If this is the case in your home, it's a really good idea to find out where your cleanout going to the street is. Make sure you have the proper tools so that you can open it, and have some method of blocking that line off in the event there are problems like this. After all, sewage flowing across your yard is much more preferable than flowing through your house. Well, thanks for watching.